Hey everyone, welcome back to Random Knowledge. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's changing the world one layer at a time: 3D printing. Ever wondered how those incredible creations come to life? Stick around to find out how 3D printing works and some of its most mind-blowing applications. Let's get started. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process that creates three-dimensional objects layer by layer from a digital model. Imagine it as a high-tech version of putting together a puzzle, but instead of pieces, it's layers of material. Everything begins with a digital design. This model is created using specialized software or scanned from an existing object. Once the design is ready, it's sent to the 3D printer, which reads the file and starts the printing process. Here's where the magic happens. The printer lays down material, often plastic, resin, or metal, one thin layer at a time. Each layer bonds with the one below it, building up the final object. It's like a high-precision cake decorator, but for objects. But it doesn't stop at just creating cool gadgets. 3D printing is revolutionizing industries in amazing ways. For instance, in medicine, researchers are printing custom prosthetics and even organs. Yes, you heard that right. Printing organs. Medical 3D printing in action. With 3D printing, doctors can create perfectly tailored implants and prosthetics that match a patient's exact specifications. And in some experimental cases, scientists are working on printing tissues and organs that could one day save lives. Architecture is also seeing incredible advances thanks to 3D printing. Builders are now able to print entire houses, which can reduce construction time and costs significantly. Imagine a whole house being assembled in a matter of days. And let's not forget about food. 3D printing is making its way into kitchens, where chefs are printing intricate and personalized culinary creations. The possibilities are as endless as your imagination. So there you have it, a peek into the world of 3D printing and its extraordinary applications. From medicine to construction to food, this technology is transforming how we create and think about objects. If you enjoyed this dive into 3D printing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.